All right, so we're just about done with all the painting. Everything looks a lot different now. See, now getting close to the finish side here, you can see all those lights and everything aligned. Pretty gray. This is called grayish. So it's got a smidge of tan in it on purpose, predominantly gray, to really hit with that navy blue. It's got the grayish because at the finish here, we're going to be tying in all this bar top stuff with epoxy, and there's a lot of wood rustic look here. So we picked the grayish to have that little bit of tan really make that pop and come together. We need another coat here. You can see primer coat 1. You can see there. That's the importance of always coat 2. So we've got the color here to go one more round, but all the gray is done, 2 coated. And I mean, that ceiling just turned out gorgeous. So that's the actual jump light that's going up and over. So we can pop in 2 more lights there to complete that bar area. So that's why that's still sitting in there like that. And then walking in here to the bedroom, we got everything done here. This is going to be our accent wall in here. We're bringing that navy all the way in there for that slate stone there, which is beautiful. Got a new fireplace insert going over here. So we got to cut and roll that guy to catch up to coat 1. Then we'll be 2 coating the blue, but it's really starting to come together now. Our there you go. There's Tom. Morning, Tom. Morning. So we got our wood already. It just came in today. Our base, our housing here. This is all fabricated, biscuit jointed together. And we're going to create a seamless look all the way around. It's about 17 feet there with a secondary 12-foot drop down. So that's going to be really nice. That's going to be finished out and sliding back against the wall with a sink access right over here. So all this stuff's coming together, and our base just showed up. We'll get into that. That's the base here for the back side of the shower. We needed that before we can continue in here with the shower and everything. We needed that base. This is going to be going right here. And then we're going to end up showing you here what we're doing. This is going to be something really cool. We're going to be doing a video on that. So we were waiting for that to come in, but it's all coming together. Everybody's having a fabulous day, and you know, it's Friday, so you know, we'll be talking with you all real soon. We got plenty of videos coming out and coming up, so y'all stay tuned, stick with us. We'll see you back on the next one.